everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Step to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it as you clap your hands above your head. Step over to the left with your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it as you clap your hands above your head again. Plant your right foot as you extend both arms straight out toward the camera with your left arm over your right arm. Switch so that your right arm is above your left arm, then extend the index and middle fingers of your right hand and pull your hand from left to right across your face. With your left hand on your hip, swing your right fist above your head in 2 clockwise circles as you shake your hips to the left, then right, then left, then right. Bring both fists so that they are just above your head, then bring them down, moving them out slightly 4 times as you shake your hips to the left, left, and right. Hop back on your left foot as you bring your right foot up and both arms in front of you, palms facing out, and your right arm above your left arm. Bring your right foot back down, then step forward a bit with your left foot. Turn so that you are facing the left and extend your right leg back, bringing your foot off the floor as you move your right arm out to the left. Bring your right foot back to meet your left foot and swing your right arm counterclockwise before bringing your left arm horizontally across your chest and resting your right elbow on your left fist so that your right fist is on your cheek. At this point, you should be facing slightly to the right with your left knee bent to the right. Put your left fist on your hip as you step back out to the left with your left foot. With your right fist, punch up to the left, then up to the right, then down to the left, then down to the right. Bring both hands up, fingers pointing in, so that they are about level with your face. Flick your hands toward the camera twice, then swing both hands and your hips to the right, then left. Repeat Section 1 of Part 3. Repeat the first 3 counts of Section 2 of Part 3. On the 4th count, cross your arms and bend your left knee to the right. Turn to face the left and bend your right knee to the left as you extend your right arm out to the left with your index finger up. Move your right hand from left to right, turning to the right and bending your left knee once you bring your hand all the way to the right, then in. Shake your finger twice, then extend your thumb as well and move your hand toward the camera. Repeat Section 2 of the opening, but instead of turning around to face the camera, stay turned with your back facing the camera and swing your arms to the right, then left. Punch up with your right fist, then bring it down as you shake your hips to the right. Do the same on the left. Quickly turn to the right until you are facing the camera with your feet together, your fists in front of your chest, and your elbows pointing out to either side. Jump slightly, bringing your feet apart and your arms down. Swing your left arm over to the right, then pull it back in and bring your feet together. Punch back out to the right with your left fist as you step out with your right foot. Move your left fist so that it is straight up. Swing your left arm in a counterclockwise circle, bringing your feet together as you finish the circle. Spin to the right until you are facing the camera again. Repeat section 1 of part 1. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 2 of part 1. Facing slightly to the left, bring both hands up to your chest and bend your knees. Turn slightly to the right and bend your knees further, then turn back to the left and straighten your legs a bit. Drop your hands, then pull them straight up above your head as you slide your feet together. Take 2 steps toward the camera, starting on the right foot, as you bring your hands down. After the second step, turn to the left on your left foot as you kick back with your right foot and move your right arm up, then outward and down. Take 3 steps away from the camera, starting on the right foot, then turn to the left to face the camera again with the last step before hopping up once. Repeat part 2. Repeat section 1 of part 3. Repeat the first 6 counts of section 2 of part 3. Bring your hands together, palms facing in front of your chest, and make 2 counterclockwise circles before swinging both hands and your hips to the right, then left. Repeat sections 1 and 4 of part 3. Repeat section 1 of part 4. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 2 of part 4. Now, step out with your right foot, turning your knee in, and bend your elbows so that your left fist is up and your right fist is down. Turn your right knee out as you switch the positions of your arms. Turn your knee in again and switch the positions of your arms back, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Repeat this set of moves in the opposite direction. Repeat part 2.